I have Xiaomi Pocophone F1 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning let me show you the one of the most powerful feature on the following device, so the security app. Let's open the security and here you can accomplish a couple of very useful features and options. So let's choose optimize and just in one clicking you can optimize your system. The device is checking system security, clearing the cache and other stuff. Here we've got the results. So that's it, let's go back. You can also here boost speed of your MIUI system. Let's just tap boost speed. Let's go back. Here you can also use cleaner to clean the junk files. Here you've got the results. Let's tap cleanup. You may also here accomplish the security scan. Let me just show you by using the security scan option. In my case everything looks good and you can see the battery usage. So that's it, let's go back. Let's go for the second trick. So let me show you the second space. So really useful thing from Xiaomi. Let's choose settings, scroll down and choose here second space. So you can in that way protect your privacy, store apps and photos in the separate space. You can create this anytime and this is absolutely risk-free. Let's tap turn on second space. The device is switching into the second space, tap continue, and you can switch between spaces using a password or using a shortcut. In my case, let me use a shortcut, tap continue. Here you can set up the second space password. In my case, let me skip it. Just for now, let me just don't use the password to the second space. And this is the second space. Here you can save a couple of things. You can just use this space as another device, so it could be two devices in one by using this second space. So for now let me quit the second space, let me switch into the first one. So let's use this switch icon and that's it. Here you should see this is the first space with the different wallpaper and other stuff as well. So now let me go for the third trick. So let me show you the reading mode. Let's find and select the settings, choose display in and here you should find reading mode. Let's tap it. So you can enable reading mode to reduce display blue light emission just by using the switcher. You can also adjust this reading mode right here. So you can choose the color of the temperature color and you can disable the reading mode with the same switcher. You can also use the scheduled time, so you can set up some rules to turn on automatically the reading mode. So that's it, let's go back. Here you can also, for example, use contrast and colors to set up the colors of your screen, or you can use just the automatic contrast if you would like to. So that's it, and now let's go for the next trick. So let me show you the really useful tools of the Xiaomi. Let's use tools and here you can, for example, you use the scanner and here you can scan the QR code, the business card and the document. So this is really advanced scanner. Let's go back. You can also use the screen recorder. You can tap start and you may record the screen. As you can see right now, you are recording the screen. Let me stop it. And you can also use here the compass, the calculator, FM radio and other stuff as well. So now let me show you the last trick. So let me show you the secret mode, which is the hardware test mode. Let's open the phone's dialer right here and let's use this secret code. Asterisk hash 64663 hash asterisk. The following mode pops up, so here you can test a couple of things such as the version of your device. So here you've got your version. If everything is correct, let's tap pass. The SIM card and other stuff such as the display, receiver. Let me test the receiver. You have to click on appropriate button according to the number you hear. Let's tap pass. You have to do the same thing with the speaker. And you may test other stuff such as the FM radio, proximity, Wi-Fi, light sensor, charger, camera, GPS, battery and other stuff. You can also use here more key to see additional tools. Here for example you can calibrate your speaker, you can get logs, or you can perform the Bluetooth test. So that's it, let me quit it. Everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.